In this video, you will learn how to add a clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word, which is especially useful for creating forms, questionnaires, to-do lists, and research documents. This simple feature helps make your documents more interactive and professional. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Click on the Developer tab. If the Developer tab is not visible on your screen, go to File tab. Then select More option. Select Options. Next, click on Customize ribbon. Check the Developer option from the list and press OK. The Developer tab will now appear in the ribbon. Once the Developer tab is enabled, click on Checkbox Content Control. A checkbox will be inserted into your document. When you place the cursor inside the box and click on it, a default check symbol will appear. However, if you want to customize this symbol, you can easily change it. To do this, go to the Properties option under the Developer tab and click on Change. In the font search box, type Webdings 2. You will see a variety of checkbox and tick symbols available. Select the symbol that best suits your document style. For example, a bold or clear check mark, and then click OK. Now your customized checkbox is ready to use. When you click the box once, it will remain unchecked, and when you click it again, it will be checked. You can repeat this process to add multiple checkboxes throughout your document. This method is quick, flexible, and ideal for academic, professional, and everyday Word documents. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful research and productivity tips.